Alright, I'm just going to show you how to change the deck belt on the Cub Cadet. This is the XT1. I've actually got the deck out at the moment, so I'll show you how to do that. There's 3 connection points. These little cotter pins here, you have to take one out from the front bar. While you're under there, you just remove this little bracket here that holds the belt in. It's just one little bolt from the chassis, and I actually put it on the lowest setting here, and it drops these down. So there's a cotter pin from under there, there's another one on the other side, and then there's this bracket here. It's actually got a cotter pin that goes in the deck. I'll show you where that goes, and this hooks onto the bracket. So over here we've got the deck, and I'll show you how the belt goes. To fit it on, you actually have to take this bracket off this side, and the belt goes around. If you can't squish the belt through there, you have to take these off. It's on both pulleys, and same on this side. Take this bracket off, and this is the format of the belt. Goes through here and hooks onto the drive pulley. So I'll show you once. There's one cotter pin that goes through here to hold the bracket on, and another one here. Now that spring that I showed you, it actually goes on here, but you actually pull this all the way around and get the hook of the spring to go in this end. I can show you how to do that, and the cable connects through there with another split pin. Alright, I'll see if I can do this with one hand. So I've got the deck most of the way under, and this spring's got to come around. It goes under the belt and under this bracket here, and we're going to hook it onto here, but I'm just going to push this all the way around. Okay, so there you go, I've got it connected now, and I've got to put the rest of this cable through this bracket here, but I'm going to just slide the deck under a bit further to do that. Alright, hopefully you can see I've got the pin through and the cable on, and now we'll just connect up the linkages. It should be right to go. Alright, we better address the elephant in the room while we're there. You might have noticed that I've got this metal guard on. So, yep, sorry, I've taken the plastic one off. That's ridiculous because you can't get up against trees, and I've just got a bit of sheet metal. Just painted black, a couple of holes in it, screwed into those holes are existing in the deck when you take the plastic thing off, and tried to shape it, curved it underneath here, and the grass flings out the side. Yes, okay, it's a bit sharp and you'll cut yourself when you're hopping on and off, but just remind yourself that you're there and you should be right.